The second thing is to find love elsewhere and be happier than ever. When people leave you and you wanted marriage, don't give up your dream of marriage. You'll have allowed them to control the narrative of your life. Don't change what you wanted. In fact, it may hurt, but you should make sure you carry on with your journey so that you can say you decided your life. It was not decided for you.
Yeah. Don't make them feel powerful.
And don't let them change what you wanted out of life. Sometimes people say, I gave up after that person, I cannot. And then you pretend you have gotten over them, but you've not gotten over them. The breakup became the tombstone for some of your dreams. Healing is the biggest act of comeback. So that you can restore control back to yourself. Sometimes we put our lives back together just so that the wrong people don't have the last say.
Yeah.
That's what broke us into pieces. Should not watch our remains. Should not watch our story die where they left us. Best act of revenge is to bring yourself back by yourself and say, I remember a time I was so depressed. I was so hopeless. The person left me at a place where I had no vision, no strength. And then I said, if I go this trajectory, they will say they finished me. And I said, I'll take a U-turn just so that I can have the last say.